3D matrix lamp box installation and layout tutorial. When installing an indicator and a module board, note the gap between the two ends. Align it and insert it tightly. Connect the module to the output cable of the box. The output line needs to be placed in the groove when closed. Fasten the rear latch. After the container is assembled, install the base. Push the base latch out and connect the hook at the end of the light to the latch. To splice containers, align the holes and tighten the latches. It is also necessary to install a fixed gasket between the box and the box, and tighten the screws. Power and signals can be transmitted in cascade through the housing. Up to 12 boxes can be cascaded when using 3-meter long lamp beads. Additional calculations are required when cascading different power beads. Signals between boxes can be cascaded up to 254. Double-click the button of the first block to code all boxes. The lights will flash in sequence. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to switch to the built-in effect. After the indicator blinks, it turns to a steady red light. Click the button to toggle the built-in effects. In the built-in effects mode, long press the key for 3 seconds to switch to ArtNet mode. Set the computer IP to 2.0.0.2. Open MadShow. Open the device manager to search and pair. Open the RDM tool and type CLEM. You can modify the box information. Open Layout Settings to delete the current layout. The order of each box is the first piece starting from the top right corner. The layout order can be arranged according to this table. It is laid out in a string of light beads at a time. Each space can be cloth 4 strings of light beads, the 5th string to switch the next space. The starting channel is set to 1. Click the up and down arrows to view the layers. The layout is completed by adjusting the starting position. Open the matrix size and click Match. Drag in the effect to light the fixture. Stay tuned, the video will be updated continuously.